Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2017 Harley-Davidson Sportster 48 with 15,362 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with Vance & Hines mufflers, an open stage 1 intake, 14-inch handlebars, grips, an LED headlight, LED turn signals, and docking hardware. Powered by a 1202cc V-twin engine, the Sportster puts 73 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 2.1-gallon fuel capacity, the Sportster has an 80 to 100-mile range. It has a 27.7-inch seat height and a 564-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, the Sportster will need a quieter exhaust and a chain guard. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 630 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are gouges in the lever and blemishes on the rear fender. This bike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our premium program. It received an inspection, service, repairs, detail. It comes with a comprehensive warranty for the first 30 days or 1,000 miles and continued powertrain warranty for a total of 90 days or 3,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.